Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the iDPRT Future 800 thermal printer. You can get this product on Amazon for about $200. Check out the link in the description. The printer comes with a power cable, a USB cable, a user manual, and a paper roll. Setting up the printer and loading the paper roll is pretty easy and only takes a few seconds. First, I try the printer with a free app and print directly from my smartphone. Printing from the smartphone is very easy and works pretty good. The print quality is pretty nice. If you want to use the printer with a computer, you first have to download and install the driver. After that, you just have to connect the printer to your computer with a USB cable and it's ready to go. Unfortunately, the printer cannot work wireless from the computer. Printing from the computer is also very easy and works without any issues. You can get the replacement thermal paper on Amazon, 2 rolls for about $26. Check out the link in the description. Each roll contains 100 sheets, so the price is about 13 cents per sheet. I tested the printer for a few days and I think it's a very nice product. It's small and lightweight, looks pretty nice and works without any issues. So if you are looking for a portable printer that doesn't use ink or toner cartridges and works with your computer or tablet and smartphone, I would recommend the iDPRT Future 800 thermal printer. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.